Hello guys, and welcome back to the seventh part of this course. So in this one, we're building a MAD-LIB game, and this game is where you can enter a bunch of words, take the words that you have entered, then store them in a variable, and it should like print out a story for you and all that. So let's stop wasting any more time and get started. So the first thing we have to do over here is create a new Python file. So let's just right click over here and let's create a new file and name this MAD-LIB. So MAD-LIB, and make sure you're creating a Python file, not a Python stub. Then hit enter. Okay, down here the first thing we need to do is define variables. So first of all, we need to define variables. So let's go ahead and start doing that. So the first variable that we want to define is color. Then we want to set this to an input, just the way we did when we were making a calculator. We define the variable num1, then set it to an input. Here we want to define a variable color, then set it to an input. So this input is going to say something like enter a color here, and we want to define two more variables, and this one over here is going to be a plural noun, plural underscore noun, and this is going to say enter a plural underscore noun here, and this one is going to say celebrity, and enter a celebrity. Okay, let's just say celebrity's name here. So these are basically the variables we need for this game. Now the next thing we want to do is print out the story text with the variables included in them. Okay, let's go ahead and do this so you understand better what we are about to do. So you want to say print, then in this story we're going to print something like roses are. Then if you can remember the way we did concatenation in the last video, then you should definitely know how to concatenate the variable color into this first line of the story. So we're gonna say roses are, then come out of the string, hit the plus sign on our keyboard, then add in the variable color, and we should be done with that. So let's just make three more of these. And if you can remember how I told you to duplicate, to use Ctrl D to duplicate. Then in this next one, what we want to do is plural underscore noun are. So plural underscore noun are, then we need to come over here and put something like the variable which is plural underscore noun. Then over here I want to say I love. Then down here you're gonna leave the celebrity name. So hopefully you understand what's going on here. Now when we run this, it's going to show us roses are, then we'll have the opportunity to pick a color for the roses. Then it's also show us plural noun are, then we could pick a plural noun, it could be whatever, microwave, whatever. Then we could say I love, then the name of a celebrity. So let's go ahead and run this and see what we have now. So it says enter a color here, so I want to enter pink, and it said enter a plural now, and let's say I want to enter shirts, and it says enter a celebrity name, and let's go with Justin Bieber. I don't know if that's the right spelling of Bieber, so let's just hit enter and see. So it says roses are pink, plural noun are shirts, I love celebrity. So you see, that's how it goes. Okay, but there is something we got wrong here. It's not supposed to say plural noun are shirts. You're supposed to say something like shirts are blue. Hopefully you understand. So down here we've got to change something. It's supposed to say shirts. It's supposed to say was the plural noun, then over here plural noun, then concatenate plus plural noun are blue. So this is it. Roses are color, plural noun are, then I love. So let's go ahead and run this and see what we have again. So enter a color here, I want to enter red, and a plural noun, let's say shirts. Okay, let's say my heart, my hearts. Then any celebrity name, I want to say Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber. Then it says roses are red, my hearts are blue. I love Justin Bieber. So this is what this game basically has to give us. You enter a bunch of word over here, enter another one over here, enter another one over here. Then it's just choosing the word into the story and prints it out for you. So that's basically it for MAD-LIB game. And as we proceed in this course, we'll build more complex games like a guessing game and all that in this course. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and if you did, do drop a like on this video. Don't forget to drop a comment and subscribe so you'd stay updated with our new videos. And I hope I'll see you in the next course. Bye and stay safe for now.